Now to introduce the luminous dignitaries who are amongst us today to grace today's ceremony. I call Mrs. Lexi Joseph to welcome you all.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Mohammad Samir, TI of Amlai Thana. Today's special guest of honor, Mrs. Swati Gautam Dubey, Sub-Inspector, Amlai. Respected Principal, Sister Perez. Honorable Manager, Sister Maris. Vice Principal, Sister Shija Maria. All my distinguished guests, ever honored parents, determined school cabinet members, my colleagues and loving students. On behalf of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, Amlai, I extend my warm and welcoming greetings to one and all present here to witness this august event, Carmel Student Council Investiture Ceremony 21-22. Great four walls of a classroom, Carmel has ever been famed to take the road less traveled. While giving academic excellence, it always endeavored to provide its students with that little extra which makes Carmel unique. Our students are our invaluable assets, the empowered visionaries of tomorrow. Carmel has always been inspired by the vision and mission of its founder father, Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavra, to create the loyal citizens with love for God. Whoever steps to this temple of learning, hope to get filled with wisdom, fear of God, respect to the elders, love and reverence to parents, loyalty for the institution, and honor for the nation. And we are blessed to have such talented students for this proud event. On behalf of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, Amlai, it's my proud privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you all. I find it to be my immense pleasure to extend my first and foremost special words of cordial welcome to our chief guest of today's function, Mr. Mohammad Samir, TI of Amlai. Sir requires no words of applause as his profession narrates his determination and hard work. He is a man of excellent academic profile and experiences. He joined in Indian Police Services in 2006 after being awarded with a gold medal in MA Sociology. Not only he excelled in academics, but also he is a national athlete as well. In 2004, he adopted the position as Secretary of Student Council while he was in PG College, Shedul. Hence, Mr. Samir is very apt to install leaders of our school, a person from law and the protector of the society. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I request everyone to give him a round of applause. We are highly honored by your gracious presence on this democratic event, sir. We are grateful to you for sparing your valuable time for this event. On this momentous occasion, I also extend my warmest welcome to our guest of honor, Sub-Inspector Mrs. Swati Gautam Dubey, who is assisting Mr. Mohammad Samir, sir. As a person, she proved by her life that how just by dedication and zeal one can achieve the heights of success. Ma'am has done her post-graduation in English literature and had become a part of Indian Police Service in 2017. She is also a state player of Kabaddi and Kho-Kho. She had also participated in cross-country race. Let us welcome her with an all-round applause. Our welcome goes to our benevolent principal and Mother G2, who always kind enough to offer the best teaching learning environment in Carmel. Both of them are always been a source of motivation for us. We are blessed to have you here, sisters. Without proper base, pillars are useless. In the same way, without proper guidance, a child cannot instill human values. This is done well by our parents. With due love and respect, I extend my special welcome to all our invited parents of cabinet members and other guests too. I too extend my hands of welcome to all educators of Carmel, the very reason behind this event, and all our students, those who assemble here to witness this event, and those who soon to be flag bearers. My dear leaders, if your actions create a legacy that inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more, then you are an excellent leader. I wish you may have an outstanding tenure, achieving heights of glory for Carmel. God bless you all. Once again, I extend my welcome towards all dignitaries, our Honorable TI Sir, Sub-Inspector Ma'am Swati Gautam Dubey, and all those who gathered here for today's program. May the spirit of unity and dynamism fill this Carmel air. Thank you.
So once again, a very hearty welcome to one and all present over here in the auditorium. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Marching towards the dais is the head girl, Mansi Singh Baghel, head boy, Ayush Chaturvedi, assistant head girl, Gracie Singh, along with assistant head boy, Akshat Gupta. So friends, as you see, Mansi Singh Baghel, the newly elected head girl, head boy Ayush Chaturvedi, followed by assistant head girl Gracie Singh and assistant head boy Akshat Gupta. I now request our chief guest, Samir Sir, and Principal Sister Therese to please come on the stage and honor the leaders with badges and slashes. The leaders, the head girl and the assistant head girl, and I request Sir, our chief guest of today's program, to honor the head boy, Ayush Chaturvedi, and assistant head boy, Akshat Gupta. By our principal, Sister Therese. Honoring the assistant head boy, Akshat Gupta, with a badge. Sister Therese is going to administer oath to the leaders on the stage.
I, Mansi Singh Baghel, head girl of the school.
Ayush Chaturvedi, head boy of the school.
Gracie Singh, assistant head girl of the school.
Akshat Gupta, assistant head boy of the school. pledge that
Pledge that
I shall be faithful
I shall be faithful
to the duties entrusted to me
to the duties entrusted to me
with a sense of sincerity and responsibility.
with a sense of sincerity and responsibility.
I shall honor
I shall honor
the faith and trust of my principal and teachers.
the faith and trust of my principal and teachers.
I shall keep my school flag flying high,
I shall keep my school flag fly high,
abiding by the rules and regulations
abiding by the rules and regulations
that govern my school.
that govern my school.
I promise to work in unity and integrity
I promise to work in unity and integrity
for the honor of my school
for the honor of my school
and for the glory of God.
and for the glory of God.
Is the batch of leaders with fine art secretaries, assistant fine art secretaries, house captains and vice captains. Anakwani along with Sanskar Sharma, followed by Red House captains Ankita Raj Singh and Saurabh Singh Rathod. Blue House Captain Palak Srivastava and Krishna Kumar Tiwari. Yellow House Purvi Gupta and Rishabh Dev Singh Baghel. Payal Prajapati, Lakshya Gautam, Poonam Agrawal, Raghubir Yadav, Anukriti Tiwari and Sanskar Shukla. I request our guest of honor, Madam Swati, and our manager, Sister Maris, to please come on the stage and honor the leaders. Mrs. Hoa Sisodia, Blue House Mistress, to administer the oath to the second batch of cabinet members.
I pledge that I shall be faithful to the duties entrusted to me with a sense of sincerity and responsibility. I shall honor the faith and trust of my principal and teachers. I shall keep my school flag flying high. Abiding by the rules and regulations that govern my school. I promise to work in unity and integrity for the honor of my school and for the glory of God.
And Suma. We have Pratika Bhai as squad group captain, Park Jain